What's up, fam? It's Sunday. I don't got nothing else to do today, so I'm getting the Malibu cleaned up. And it's gonna take a while to get it cleaned up, and I'll show y'all what I'm doing. Whoever I bought this car from, well, not the people I bought it from, but from where this car come from, they had to live on a dirt road. It was somewhere down in Florida. But all this is dirt. And you can see I had a lot of, and it's like years of dirt caked up under here. And the underbody of the car isn't really all that bad. Like, it's solid. But I want to have it undercoated. And I don't trust the people to clean it good as I would do it. So I don't care how long it takes. If it takes me to the springtime, I'm gonna clean this whole entire bottom. I'm gonna go get me a wire brush or one of them hard rubber bristle brushes that you put on a drill and take it to this, maybe soak it down with some degreaser or something, and then just chip away at it until I get the whole underbody done. This exhaust, this crap is coming off. I can't wait to take my sawzall and just chop all this crap off of here. But they put cherry bombs on a V6. But that's the plan. It's not really all that bad. It's a couple spots that need some attention. I'm no body work person, so I'm gonna have to take it somewhere. But right there, that's a pinhole. If you open the trunk, you can see light coming through right there. So I'm gonna have to just sandblast all this and see what the metal's looking like, and maybe just cut it out, add some more metal. I pulled the bumper off the back because it's a lot of dirt caked down in there, and you can see all this dirt I'm getting out of this car. Now, I'm not trying to drive this car no time soon, so like I said, I'm taking my time with it. I'm hoping within the next 2 to 3 years I can have it on the street. I got one too many projects at the moment, but this right here was it's my dream car, and I'm gonna get it right. I'm starting with the body work. I'm gonna have the whole entire car painted. Probably gonna take it to the shop with no motor, no transmission. Right now it does run and drive. It's a V6 in there, but I'm gonna take this powertrain and put it in this car. And a long time ago, my homeboy Antoine, Mr. Hawthorne, he named this car Uncle Ruckus. So that's what it's gonna be. I'm even gonna have a sticker, a logo, or something put back here that says Ruckus on it. And honestly, like, this car, it's never gonna be no show car. I put it together as a daily driver. I don't even think I'm gonna paint it. I just want it running good, something I can hop in and drive around. I tried to sell this car. Man, nobody want it. Nobody want it because it's a 4-door. But man, it looks ugly. But man, I swear, it ride like a Cadillac on the freeway, nice and smooth. So I'm gonna take this crap that's under the hood of here, put it in here, and y'all, if y'all been following my videos, you already know what's under the hood of this one. But before I do all that, I'm gonna, like I said, get this car, the body painted. I'm gonna get the top redone, get all the trimming put back on, and then I'll worry about getting it running right. Then after I get it running right, man, I'm gonna start on this interior. I don't got the keys on me. I would open the door, but you can see that seat needs to be done. I'm taking these door panels off, and they sprayed them, you know, trying to make them look nice, but it just didn't turn out good. So I'm gonna try to clean all this stuff off and see how it looks. If it don't look right, then I'll try to find some newer panels. Dashboard is crap. I don't know if it could be saved. I seen some people like wrapping them. Maybe I can get that done. But either way it go, I gotta take that whole entire dashboard out. This back deck, I think the speakers mount underneath it, and they, you know, kind of blew out some holes right there and just dropped the speakers down in there. So I'm gonna take those out, try to get some thin wood or like the compressed cardboard crap, whatever you call it, and just remake this whole back panel. If anything, I'll just set the speaker grills on top. I won't have the whole speaker up top. And I think this little vent for the rear defrost, like I didn't know what it was at first, and I put it on the Facebook page I'm on, and guys were saying it's to clear the back window. But you know, this car come out of Florida, so it's really hot down there, and this is all deformed. You can see it, it's raised up right there. From there to right here, it's kind of just wrinkled up. So I'm gonna try to maybe like glue it down, use some two-way tape, do something to try to make it look right. That's about it. I don't know what in the world they were trying to do with this headliner, but it's ruined. I gotta pull that down, and to put the new one in, obviously I'm gonna have to cut a hole in it. But the way this rubber seal is, this whole sunroof gotta come out. So I'm just hitting y'all with a video. I haven't posted in a while. I'm still at it. You know, the swap slowed down a little bit, so I'm able to mess with my own stuff. Actually, like, all my car work slowed down. I haven't had a job in a minute. But this is the dead time anyways. It'll pick back up come the end of October, November, all the way to like springtime. Well, let me show y'all the bumper, and I'll wrap this video up. It's just chunks of dirt. Nothing but dirt. I gotta take all this crap out. And what happens when that stuff get wet, like it stays wet for a while, and it causes things to rot out. So I'm gonna get all this dirt out of here, like, and there's tons of it. There's tons of dirt in here. And then I'll, you know, tape the outside off, and maybe use some type of cleaner to clean it real good, and then something to spray over it to stop the rust. Or just see if I can find some clean bumper somewhere. Like, honestly, I don't know what avenue I'm gonna take, but all I can tell you is the end result is it's gonna be mighty fine when I'm done. I'll let y'all go. Y'all enjoy y'all Sunday. I'll post another video next time I do something different. All right, peace.